Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Veena. Very often we make aloo bhaji at home and the next day we have some leftover and we don't know what to do with it. So we decide either we throw it or we just leave it around. But I'm going to show you today how you can make piping hot, delicious batata vadas from your leftover bhaji. So let's see how we can make it. We are first going to make the aloo masala for the vadas. What I'll do is that I'm just going to add a little oil here to this pan. So as the oil gets hot, I'm first going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Some green chilies and chopped onions. I'm going to turn the onions around with the spices till they are soft and translucent. I'm now putting in a few curry leaves for flavor. The onions are soft and well cooked now, so I'm now going to put in the leftover aloo bhaji into the onions. Mix it all nicely. And now I'll just add a few spices to this, a little bit of chilli powder, a little bit of salt and a little bit of amchur powder to give it a little bit of a tang. And finally, I'm going to put some chopped coriander leaves or kothmeer and mix everything together. All the onion and the masalas, everything should be nicely mixed. So after mixing all this well, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see what's happening here. The aloo mixture for our vadas is absolutely ready, and allow all this to cool. I'm now going to make small vadas out of this. So we take a small amount of the bhaji mixture, roll it into a shape of a vada. In this way we will make all the vadas. So I have my vadas ready, and in this bowl I have besan batter ready in which I am going to dip the vadas and fry. Now let me tell you how I have made the batter. So I have taken a cupful of besan, I have added red chilli powder, salt and a pinch of soda bicarb, and I have added a little bit of ajwain and fresh kothmeer to give it that little additional flavor. I've added water and mixed it up all very nicely into a smooth batter with no lumps at all. I'm now going to heat the oil here. So we are now ready to fry our vadas. So I will take these one by one, dip them into the batter nicely and put it into the hot oil. The oil is hot and my first vada is nice and golden brown. So now it's time for me to put the rest. I will take this one out and I'll slowly put all the others into the oil. And now I'll gently turn them around. All our vadas are nice and golden brown, so time to get them out and get them served. So here we are, ready to be served. So I hope you like the way I converted our simple leftover aloo bhaji into these yummy crisp batata vadas, and you will also try them out very quickly. They are perfect for a rainy day, anytime snack or even on a picnic. So if you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to India Food Network and keep writing to us.